Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Behind me here we have the Jayco Journey 1961-3 Outback. Let's go have a look. So standard on our Outback range and optional on most of our touring product, we've got a gas bayonet which you can see fitted down here. We use that to connect our gas bayonet for our portable barbecues. So to undo your bayonet, twist the dust or dirt cap, drop it down and then insert your bayonet. Alright, so to remove your bayonet, push your bayonet up and then twist and pull it out. Then to insert your dust cap, twist it and it's locked in. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.